How to add email to your page on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add email to your page on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just scroll down and click pages and then select your page, and here you will find this one about. Click on it and then just click here you will find email. Click on it and type your email here and then just click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.